Meet the Gothic L, the letter that held the key to medieval libraries and locked our secrets. This is Smarty Penman, and today we are uncovering why this elegant letter was Scribe's best kept weapon. In Textura Quadrata, the L was a structural pillar. Literally, its sharp serif anchored entire words like buttresses in a cathedral. But there's a twist. Too tall and it dwarfed other letters. Too short and words collapsed. Perfection meant power. Think of the downstroke as a knight's lance, unyielding. The serif, a bishop's crook, gently guiding the reader's eye. Together, they ruled the page. Here's the secret scribes never wrote down. Start your L with a 5-degree lean to the right. It counteracts the natural slants of the hand, creating that iconic Gothic balance. Now you try, and remember, every L you write is a vault door to history. Comment below what secret would your L protect.